Since our last video, we've fallen behind. We took one too many days off over Christmas and we've only been on the boat once. That was just to eat breakfast on it on Christmas Day. We're now at our third house sit in Wellington. We've got around 18 days left until we plan to set off on our big trip to the Bay of Islands, and we've got so much to do before we leave. Luckily, the people that we are house sitting for are super nice and they've let us have access to a load of tools here which will help us fix up the boat in time for our journey. Besides that, here's what we've been up to for the last couple of weeks. On New Year's Day, we took our bodyboard to the beach down the road. The sea was actually quite calm compared to what it's normally like down there, although we still didn't want to set out sailing just yet, and I still managed to get knocked over by one of the waves. The past couple of days have gone so fast and we've already arrived at our new house sit. This is on a small farmhouse in Wainemata where we will be looking after dogs, chickens, a cat and 3 pigs. This house sit lasts for 10 days and we will be spending all of that time getting our boat ready for our next adventure.
So we made a list on things that we need to get done whilst we're here. Alright, what's that spot here?
Rubbish, drop the camera.
Yeah. Drop the camera. I broke the lens right there. I'm using an 18mm lens for a moment. Really good lenses, but I was being clumsy and dropped it.
Today we're fixing up a few things that need to be done on the boat. We've taken off all of the little wooden slabs from the doors and we started sanding them, sanded the tiller, and we're going to go to the shop tomorrow to get some varnish. And if we look down here, we have the cutest puppy. She's so sweet. What are you doing?
I'm getting the old varnish off and recovering some rot in the wood. This is all rotted, turned into, so some of it's alright, some of it's rotted.
So we need to replace this.
Yep. There's parts we need to replace. This is probably the worst bit. This is the worst bit here because the anchor drain plug is here and all the water just sits here all the time. So yeah, this bit needs replaced. Plus we need to get the wood. Quite a lot to do.
Yeah.
But we're getting on it.
Roberts, and I think he is still sanding the tiller, but he's done so much today and I have been awfully lazy. Sanded all of this. So the boat is just on the driveway at the moment. And there's a hard man at work.
So bitten!
I know, I couldn't do it. That's my excuse. Roberts, come here.
Hello.
You look really cool.
No, it's snowing outside. So, I've noticed before some spots on the boat, like wet spots, like anti-foul coming off. And I started sanding down a few spots and it turns out there's some bit of moisture caught in between the fiberglass. So I'm sanding down the places where the moisture is built up and let them dry out. You would need like a vacuum pump, but we don't have one. Just gonna let them dry out and then put some epoxy and then a new layer of anti-foul on these places. So yeah, trying to get the moisture out.
Give me a little look.
Am I white?
A little bit. So these are the planks that have come off of the doors. Roberts, what do we have?
We have a varnished wood teak.
Look at that. You can't really see it 'cause it's quite dark.
That is nice and shiny now. It's gonna be sanded down and lacquered another 5 to 10 times. It's gonna have a super nice shine in the end. So yeah, cleaning the brushes.
So we just wanted to say thank you to everyone for all of the feedback we got this week. We posted a comment on one of the backpacker pages and we ended up having like almost 200 people get back to us.
Proper discussion.
Yeah, we did not expect that at all. We thought maybe 1 or 2 people would want to join us. So yeah, that's really great and we're going to try and get as many of you on board with us as possible.
Yeah, it would be quite nice to meet different people with different stories and share theirs and we'll share ours.
Yeah, we're gonna take it from there and we're gonna post our location on our Facebook sailing page of where we are and where we're heading.
A big thanks to all of the sailing forums for advice on where to go and what's the best routes.
And we wanted to say thank you to our Patreons as well.
This wouldn't be possible without you guys. It's really amazing help. And if you would like to support us on Patreon, head to the link down. It's a great help.